Again, your hosts are Chad Wedge Burnett and Marm. Today's special guests will be John and Stu and Fagman and Vince.
Hey, welcome to the second edition of Physics is Fun. I'm Chad Burnett.
I'm Arms.
And we're here to show you a couple more experiments that prove the law of physics. Now, first of all tonight, we've got a guest star on our show. His name is Vince. Vince, come onto the stage.
He flew in from Korea
He
tonight.
flew in from Korea. Sit down, Vince. You can sit down. Sit down, yes.
Hey, wait, isn't that a Torch Rock shirt?
Yeah, yes, Torch Rock. Hey, Vince.
Chad, won't you be translating for us today?
Yes, I know Korean, and I will translate. Our first experiment tonight is on the one... Oh, okay, he will explain it, he says. That is a glass with water in it. With a cardboard... With a cardboard thing on top. He's going to turn it over, and the air pressure, which has something to do with physics, is going to keep the cardboard stuck to the glass, and the water will stay in. See as he turns it over? Well, folks, it's okay, Vince. Don't do anything rash.
Wait a minute, maybe, should we check that out in slow-mo?
Sure, yeah. You better go ahead, hurry up.
Okay.
In slow-mo would be nice.
Real smooth job there, Vince.
He's very sorry. He will...
wipe up, keep wiping there. Well.
He says he's really sorry. He doesn't understand what happened.
Well,
Mike, tell the audience what you did.
Well, before he came to the studio, I soaked the paper in water before, and that's what causes the glass the water to fall out, because you need this to be completely dry before you do it, as I will demonstrate.
He says, well, I don't want to repeat what he said. He said something about your mom. Anyway, Vince, we're going to try it one more time, okay? Okay, he says, thanks to this bonehead here, he's been embarrassed, and his family will probably... It's okay, sit down. His family will probably be kicked out of Korea, but... Anyway, he's going to try it again this time. This time we've got a plastic-coated card. With water. Buddha. Praying to his Buddha. There we go!
It did work for a brief second. Should we check that?
It worked! I'm really sorry! I think you pushed it a little too far, man.
Hey, should we check that second one in slow-mo?
You want to check in slow-mo?
No. We gotta move on with the show.
We're really sorry. Come on. He's really mad. He wants to beat you up. I'm sure he wants to beat you up.
Let's go with the show.
I'm there.
Well, come on. It's okay, man. You gonna fight him, or what's the deal? I mean, hey, sorry, man.
Well, let's bring on the next guest first.
All right. Go ahead. You can scoot over.
Yeah, move over.
Huh?
Come on, guys.
Yeah, go ahead. The magazines are
Let's
over there. Okay, we're sorry. We did not mean to embarrass Mr. Hahn that way, but as you saw, it did work for a little bit the second time. The card was just a little crinkled. We're sorry, but that goes to prove...
we're sorry about that.
That just goes to prove that air pressure does keep it up. Anyway. Okay, we have another guest tonight. His name is Scott Fraglin, and he's the boy from California. Scott, would you like to come on our stage?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Mr. Loomer.
Come here and sit down.
Cool.
Well, Scott, you got an experiment you want to tell us about?
Yeah.
What is it?
Good question. Well, nickels. This is a demonstration of one of Newton's laws. Newton, he was a smart guy.
Is that in Sir Isaac?
No, like fig.
Oh.
Newton. Alrighty. Watch this as I hold this nickel. This is the experiment that I was scheduled to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, watch this nickel. Now, this nickel will not even move. However, this one will fly. Watch. Ha! How's that for nifty? Alright, let's try this again.
Should we catch that in slow-mo?
No, let's get this next one in slow motion.
Okay.
This is like a new twist. Okay. This time I'll hold these two nickels. And two of them flew. Hey, I mean, leave it to Newton, right? This is really stupid. This is
Should we check that second one? Oh, what are you doing there, Mike?
Oh.
Mike. Yeah, let's check that second one in slow-mo.
Let's go for it.
Why don't we do that one in slow-mo then?
Weren't in yet.
Did we go?
Yep.
Okay.
Back in now.
That was a great slow-mo, Scott. You want to explain how that happened?
Sure, Mike. Now, see, momentum is never lost nor gained. It's simply transferred from this nickel, through this nickel, into this nickel. Now, you can see that this nickel stops moving. Where does the momentum go? Right there. Hence, kapowie, it flies. Physics is fun. No, fun is not a big enough word. Physics is fantastic, Chad. Physics is fabulous.
Hey, I agree.
That's
Physics is
great, Scott. Moving on.
Yeah, well, Scott, magazines are over there.
You really think this coat makes you a stud, don't you?
Gee. Well, anyway, let's bring our next guest on tonight.
Yeah.
Aaron Studer. Aaron.
Hey.
Now, you're a nickel man here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Now, you're gonna do that
Oh, you're that kid with the,
yeah, he was on here last week.
Studio audience.
Anyway, are you gonna do that one Coyne experiment that Loomer showed?
What?
We're gonna do the Coyne experiment that Mr. Loomer showed us.
Coyne.
C-O-I-N.
Well, you stack them up and you flick it and buy one.
Okay, sure. Take these nickels here. Excuse you. And make them into little piles. Got that? I can never get them in a pile.
Should we watch him slow-mo putting those in a pile?
No. Don't need to. Get you. Then. Well, let's see.
Get kind of close.
Yeah, I bet this will be about as good as the water one.
Hey, come on. Take it easy, Mr. Hahn.
Ready? Okay.
Well, hang on. We'll try that again really quick. We'll try that again really
Sorry
quick.
about that.
Just here. Let me do it this time. Okay. Now watch. We got
Wait, I
what?
can
1,
do
2, 3, 4. We got 5 nickels stacked up. Okay, this is gonna be good.
This is gonna work this time. Here we go.
You're doing it wrong. Let me do it.
You do it then if you're the pro.
All right, here
You
goes.
and your crazy coat.
Here goes. Yes! Did you see that? Now there's 3 coins here, and the one that was supposed to be down there was flicked out. But you saw how it worked. The nickel transformed its energy into the bottom one. The bottom one flew out, and this one ended up being close under the pile. Hey, thanks, Aaron. That was a great
Should we
demonstration.
check that in slow-mo?
No.
That's pretty much like
Oh,
the
you said
water
no.
one again.
Go ahead. You can scoot over. The magazines are that way.
No, thanks for liking them.
Hey.
Hey, hey,
Oh, hey, we gotta run the break on these. What's going on here? What's going on? What's going on here? What's going on? What's going on here, huh? What's going on?
Wait, look at
What's
Mike's
going on
doing.
here?
Look at him.
Hey, okay, everybody sit down.
I feel like a Roldo.
Okay, I think that's about time for a station break here.
Oh, man.
Physics can be disastrous.
Sit down, come on. Ow.
Everybody,
Come on, sit down. That chair feels really good.
I don't have to bust anyone up with these.
Jeez, Marms, relax.
excuse me.
Hello, Mr. Loomer's class. What you just saw here tonight is probably one of the most worst things that you could ever do on TV. And we're very sorry, and we would like to apologize to Mr. Hahn, to Mr. Studer, to Mr. Coyne, and to Mr. Fagerland. Violence is never the way to solve physics.
He's right, you know.
We're very sorry, and that is why now you understand that physics is a jungle.
We don't kid around when we say that physics.
Well, see the show now. Thanks for watching us. We'd like to say our goodbyes now.
And appreciate you watching. And tune in next week.
I'm Stuart. I'm Craig, man.
I'm Arms.
I'm Chad.
I'm Slim.
And he's Vince.
For Physics is fun.
Yeah, he loves you. Vince says he loves you.
Let's get out of here.
Hi, Mom. Mom. Is that thing off?